How to lose weight after pregnancy. Your step-by-step guide to losing weight after pregnancy. Audition by Julie Lancelot. If you want to lose weight after pregnancy, then get this step-by-step How to Lose Weight After Pregnancy guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will discover step-by-step exercises for new mothers, how to get a flat stomach even after pregnancy, best exercises for new mothers to lose the extra weight from pregnancy, lose post-pregnancy weight faster, naturally, easy and affordable diet for new mothers, fit back into your skinny jeans again, get to see your flat stomach even after having a baby once or multiple times, feel fit, slim, and sexy again, look stunning for your man once again, and much more. Click Add to Cart to get the secrets now.